All right, continuing up, and you can see the hanging boulder there. It's kind of hard to see with the radiation of the sun, but we'll get up here and it'll be a little better. Definitely has, whoa. About went backwards, but there you go. The hanging boulder. Isn't that cool? Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com, and today we are at the Giant City Nature Trail. It's about a mile loop, shotgun hunting season. We're gonna take a hike. You get to come with us. Alrighty folks, on the nature trail here. Got a nice gentleman who is volunteer with the park and kind of walking around teaching people about stuff and being a guide, so that's cool to see that going on. And he remembered me from a presentation I did. Currently going uphill, that's why I'm breathing heavy. That's yep, seems to always be going uphill. But Michelle, she likes her hills. She's the hill crusher. All right. Plenty of bluffage on the Giant City Nature Trail. A lot. There's a lot on the nature trail. A lot to see. A lot of history. Even a copperhead hibernaculum. Alrighty folks, really cool area here. It's the stairs. Huh?
So I guess the trail used to come through there.
Yeah, I think it did at one time.
There's an arrow.
Yeah. Yeah. I wish I could have seen what this looked like before the stairs. I wonder how interesting it would have been. Probably really rocky, I'm assuming that's why they did it. But pretty cool nonetheless. The stairs do kind of make it neat. Alright folks, just got off the boardwalk stairs and now at the fracture and the bluffage. I love this. It's not Fat Man Squeeze, but still pretty cool. See how big it is, scale of Michelle there. We're almost to Fat Man Squeeze, which is the copperhead hibernaculum. But these have been here for a while. Look how big they are. That was a big honking tree. Alright folks, this is what they call the streets of Giant City. Looks like streets. Pretty cool, a lot of carvings. Alright, here's the streets. And right here is Fat Man Squeeze. My dad tells me stories where he went up and grabbed a hold of a snake. And interesting with that is copperheads migrate into here and sleep for the winter. Alright, this is why they call it the streets, because it looks like streets. It looks like walls of buildings and stuff.
Hold on.
Huh. We got carvings and faces. Michelle's finding trash. Fat Man Squeeze, which is copperhead hibernaculum. So, yeah, they're pretty much asleep. So it's not really a threat to her, but...
Yeah, but they're not even right here dangerous.
Right. But also this area. is full of carvings. And they're getting harder and harder to see because of the moss and everything, but you can see a little bit still. 1800s, 1897. There's Civil War carvings, CCC. Very old carvings. 1878.
Underneath that, like he's lifting it up. You should do that.
Here.
No.
Hiking wise. There's the hanging boulder. Alright, folks. Nice little bluffage tunnel here. More cool shelterage in the bluffage. Look for some sallies. I'll look up at the top where Michelle can't reach.
You are correct. I cannot. It's okay.
Just trying to help out.
Mm-hmm. You won't see them anyway.
Girl,
Just saying.
don't make me
What?
beat you up on camera.
Bring it on, sunshine. Bring it on.
She'd beat me up. I'm a gentle teddy bear. I'm about as gentle as the teddy bear I drew yesterday. Which Trinity said looked mad until I put a smile on it.
Yep.
What is that? Ooh, there's a bunch of bees.
Is there?
Or something, some sort of bugs. I think they're bees.
I bet they're wasps.
Could be hibernating.
Yep.
Taking a break.
This is kind of cool back here. I've never been back here.
It is. Michelle enters her habitat.
Uh-huh. Something's been sleeping in here.
Giant City Nature Trail. All sorts of stuff to see along this trail. Went a little bit over a mile. Mile and some change. So, pretty good hike. A little hilly at first. A couple little hills, nothing major. Anyone can do it. It's a good place if you're just wanting to get into hiking. If you've ever been hiking, go to Giant City and just do the easy trails, the short trails. And it's a good way to start hiking. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time,
But
Michelle and me will see you on the trail.